In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Forms needs permission. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Google Forms. This simple first step is where you will either access a form you have previously created, or start from scratch with a brand new template. Taking a moment to ensure that you are signed into the correct account will save you time later on, as working in the proper account is essential when it comes to permissions and edits. Once you have arrived at the Google Forms homepage, the next direction is to work with an existing form that needs their permission issue fixed, or to create a new form. If you have already been working on a form, locate it in your list and simply click to open it. However, if you are starting fresh, click on the option to create a new form. This versatility allows you to either troubleshoot an ongoing project or to establish a new one without additional complications. Remember that both existing and new forms will use the same troubleshooting process, so the choice depends solely on your needs at that moment. The following step involves publishing your form by clicking on the publish option. By doing so, you are confirming that the form is ready to be sent out to respondents. This process effectively updates any permission settings by ensuring that your form has the latest configurations in place. When you click publish, watch for confirmation messages that indicate your form has been updated and that the necessary changes have been applied. It is important during this step to follow the on-screen instructions carefully to ensure that the update is fully executed without errors. After you have clicked publish, it is time to check the status of your form to ensure that it is functioning correctly. Look for the indicator that signals whether your form is accepting responses or not. In many cases, if the form is not accepting responses, it may display a message such as not accepting responses. Confirming this setting is critical because it directly impacts how respondents interact with your form. If you find that your Google form remains locked or asks for additional permissions after publishing, double check that you are using the proper account and that all form settings have been correctly updated. Sometimes refreshing your browser can help in displaying the proper updated status. This straightforward process, from opening Google Forms and working with the right form, to clicking publish and verifying that the form is properly configured, should resolve the permission issues you encountered. By following these steps carefully, you are not only addressing the immediate problem, but also ensuring that your form is set up to receive responses smoothly in the future. This method is efficient and simple, providing you with a quick resolution so you can return to analyzing or gathering data without delay.